I record the session. Let me share my screen now. Can anyone explain me why circular loop has been removed here now? Anyone?
Because of department table we using qualify.
Yes. Hmm?
Unqualified employee ID. So employee ID same as employee ID
Okay.
column name.
Hmm?
And department ID, department name as of using qualify. So that's why table name dot department ID and table name dot department name.
Okay. Fine. Mm-hmm.
So employee table connected to employee ID.
Hmm.
And salary table, it's showing only department ID column name. So
Hmm.
it's not connected to department dot department ID. So
Hmm.
employee table, salary table connected with employee name.
Hmm. Okay.
That's
So
it.
that's where circle loop has been removed, right? Yeah. So in click sense, we have to remember that in the click sense, when relationship is created in the sense, whenever column name should be the same. Okay. Then only relationship is created. Otherwise, relationship won't create. Okay. So here DEP dot department ID is different with the DEP ID, right? So that's why relationship is not created. Okay. If you want to create a DEP ID with the DEP ID, then we need to remove DEP dot. So then only it will create a relationship. Otherwise, it won't create a relationship. Okay. Clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Kaveri, why circular loop has been removed here? Kaveri, are you there?
Hello. Yes,
Yes.
sir, I'm there.
Yeah. Why circular loop has been removed
Sir,
here?
because
Hmm?
sir, we use here
Hmm.
it is the table name is uh, that field, sir. That will
Mm-hmm.
be related to another table. Then only it will build the relation.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Here, employee ID and employee ID is the same, sir, because we used unqualified for that field only.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Then it will be connected to employee ID only. Here, employee name and employee name is connected.
Yes.
Here, we are not using qualify, sir.
Yes. Excellent. Yeah.
The
I think.
it is build that relation by
Mm,
name.
yes. Yes. That's absolute. So I think you are clear about qualify and qualify, right?
Yes,
Is there
sir. I
any
have
doubt?
a doubt on it key.
Yeah. Yeah. I will explain that one. The evening session I will explain because I need to take a different data for that. Okay. We'll explain that. No issues. So I will take sample superstore and I will explain in the evening because evening I think some more will be joining, right? Then I will explain those things. Then that would be clear for so many people as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So whatever we have covered so far in this session, it's clear, right? So do you have any doubts?
Yes.
The how circular loop will be found? So why we need to
And
remove circular loop? What are the steps or what are the alternate solutions to remove the circular loop? Clear, right? All these topics
lose
clear, right? Hmm? Oh yeah, loosen table. Yes, right.
loosen and
So
link table.
yeah, link table I will explain you. Actually, that one is different. Actually, so link table is the different concept because it would related to the data granularity. So I will tell you. So once you will understand this basic, no, then only you will able to get those things. Okay, I will tell
Okay.
you that one and so even self join also I will explain. So just note it down these topics. I will explain later. Okay. So let me
Okay.
go to the data load editor and let me explain the loosen table. So loosen. So what is meant by loose? So in general words, what is meant by lose? అంటే మామూలుగా ఏంటంటే ఐ లూజ్ అంటే ఏంటంటే పోగొట్టుకోవడం కదా. సో జస్ట్ సో ఇక్కడ కూడా లూజ్ అంటే ఏంటంటే ఆ టేబుల్ అనేది అక్కడ రిమూవ్ అయిపోద్ది అనమాట. ఆ టేబుల్ కి ఇంకా ఈ రెండు టేబుల్తో సంబంధం ఉండదు. ఆ రిలేషన్షిప్ అనేది ఈ రెండు టేబుల్తో క్రియేట్ అవ్వదు. వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ విల్ యూజ్ ఏ లూజ్ ఫర్ ద లూజన్ ఫర్ దట్ పర్టికులర్ టేబుల్, ఇట్ వోంట్ ఇంటరాక్ట్ విత్ అదర్ టూ టేబుల్స్ in the form of association. It won't create any association between any tables. Suppose if you take a 5 tables, if you use loosen for one table, that one table wouldn't interact with the 4 tables in terms of association. It won't create a relationship with that remaining 4 tables. Okay, understood? So what is the loosen table definition now? Tell me, any one of you, what is the definition of loosen?
So there is no association between the two tables.
Not a 2 table. If you use a loosen for any table, let's consider in our data model, we have a 5 tables. Okay. We have used a loosen for table 1. Okay. That table 1 won't create a relationship with the remaining 4 other tables. It won't interact in the relationship creation with the other 4 tables. Okay. That is the loosen concept. Okay. So if I use, for suppose, let's remove all these things, qualify and qualify everything. So if I use loosen, okay, table, need to give table, loosen table. What is the table name? DEP, right? DEP colon. Why it is throwing an error? Just a minute. I think it's not a colon, this one. Okay. So let's see. Let me load the data. Oh, DEP table DEP not found. Okay. Loosen table, the error occurred here. Okay, just a minute. Then table DEP. This is table is DEP only, right? So let me give a name as a DEP. Okay. Then we'll use this one. Okay.
Bro, I think I have to give in
What was it? I missed that. I think your watch is not clear. Table is DEP, right? And Loosen table DEP. So this is the table name. And let me reload again. Let's see what is it is showing. The following error table DEP not found. The error occurred here. DEP losing table. Okay. Data has not been loaded. Please correct the error.
bro, I think I have to give after that table in 24th line. Or you rename that one as department as cell.
Yeah.
Loosen cell.
Yeah, that's right. Actually, no, loosen table would be at the last.
First we have to load, then we have to lose the table.
Yes, yes. Yeah, that would be last. Yeah. So if you do this now, then table will be loose. So are you able to see any circular loop now? Circular loop error?
No.
Right?
No.
Yes. But if I show you the data model here, still you see the circular loop there. Are you able to see circle loop here? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. In the error, circle reference is not showing, right? But here it is showing, right? It is showing like a there would be a circle loop. But here how this would be created in general internally the circle will be gone. But here for the reference, it will just show for the reference. But internally, if you just work it out on this data model, there won't be a circle loop. But reference purpose, it is just showing. But circle loop already removed. So whenever we loaded the data, right, at that time only, it won't show the circle reference only. The circle reference at that time only it got removed. But here for the reference, it will just show. Okay, but there is no circular loop between these two tables now. Okay, if you see this one, this is like a internal, this is like a data source, right? If you see here,
To open that preview, bro. In that preview, it will shows that all the tables
yeah,
tables with along
yeah,
with data.
yeah, yeah, that's fine. But I'm just trying to show a different kind of models. Yeah, this I have explained them already. So this is free of the data, right? So, but actually, no, in your real time also. So once if you remove the circle reference, so in the data model still you can able to see that one, but it won't exist there. Okay, for the internal reference it would show like that, but internally it got removed. So that point we have to keep in mind. Okay, do you have any doubt here? ఈసారి ఇక్కడ అయితే మీకు ఇది చూపిస్తుంది స్టిల్ మనం ఎలా చేసినా కూడా ఈ రెఫరెన్స్ ఇది ఇంటర్నల్ సోర్స్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ సోర్స్ లో ఎక్కడ డేటా మోడల్లో రెండు చోట్ల కూడా అది సర్క్యులర్ రెఫరెన్స్ అనేది చూపిస్తుంది. బట్ ఏంటంటే అది ఇంటర్నల్ రెఫరెన్స్ కోసమే. బట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా ఏంటంటే మనం ఎప్పుడు లోడ్ చేసేటప్పుడు అక్కడ చూడ అక్కడ మనకేం ఎర్ర రాలే కదా, సో అప్పటికే అది రిమూవ్ అయిపోయింటది. బట్ ఇక్కడ డేటా మోడల్ అయితే స్టిల్ అది ఒక రెఫరెన్స్ కోసం అది చూపిస్తా ఉంటది. ఓకే అంతే, కానీ అక్కడైతే నీకు ఆల్రెడీ రిమూవ్ అయిపోయింటది సర్కిల్ లూప్ అనేది. సో మనం ఈ డేటా మోడల్ మీద వర్క్ ఆన్ చేయొచ్చు. Okay, don't panic by seeing these dotted lines between the tables because circular reference already got removed. Okay, అది ఆల్రెడీ రిమూవ్ అయింటది కాబట్టి మనం ఈ డాటెడ్ చూడడం వల్ల మేము వరి అవసరం లేదు. సో పర్ ఇంటర్నల్ రెఫరెన్స్ కోసం అది అలా చూపిస్తా ఉంటది అంతే. We need not to do anything on that. Okay, right? Do you have any doubts here?
లూజన్ టేబుల్ కి ఒకసారి డెఫినేషన్ చెప్తారా సార్?
సో లూజ్ అండ్ టేబుల్ అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు మనము ఏ టేబుల్ కన్నా ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం ఇచ్చాము, డిపార్ట్మెంట్ టేబుల్ కి లూజ్ అనేది ఇచ్చాం కదా. సో ఈ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ అనేది ఈ రెండు టేబుల్స్ తో కనెక్ట్ అవ్వదు. మామూలు ఇక్కడ నీకు ఊరక అలా చూపిస్తుంది కానీ బట్ ఇంటర్నల్ గా బిహైండ్ క్లిక్ లో ఇదేంటంటే ఈ రెండు టేబుల్ మధ్య ఇంకా ఈ రెండు టేబుల్ కి దీనికి సంబంధం ఉండదు. ఇది దీంతో కనెక్ట్ అవ్వదు, ఈ అసోసియేషన్స్ అనేది ఉండదు. ఓకే, రిలేషన్షిప్ అనేది కనెక్ట్ అవ్వదు మామూలుగా. సో ఇక్కడ నీకు జస్ట్ అలా చూపిస్తుంది, బట్ మామూలుగా సర్కిల్ రెఫరెన్స్ చూస్తే నీకు లేదు కదా, సర్కిల్ రెఫరెన్స్ లో 0 అయిపోయింది కదా అది. సో సర్కిల్ రెఫరెన్స్ లేవు. సో అప్పటికే అదేంటంటే ఈ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ అనేది ఈ రెండు టేబుల్ తో అసోసియేషన్ తో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవ్వదు, రిలేషన్స్ అనేది క్రియేట్ చేయదు ఆ రెండు టేబుల్స్ తో. సో బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఊరికే అది రెఫరెన్స్ కోసం అది చూపిస్తుంది తప్ప, సో బిహైండ్ ద స్క్రీన్ ఏమైంటుందంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా అది రిమూవ్ అయిపోయింటది.
ఓకే.
Yeah, fine then. So yeah, I think so we'll connect again in the evening. So before that, please work on this synthetic key and circle roof and the elimination process. Okay, that is the assignment for today. So I will check in our evening session. So please, everyone, please do this assignment.
ఐ మీన్ నిన్న ఇచ్చిన అసైన్మెంట్ శివ?
Yeah, that same one, but please work on that. I think you also said right, you haven't get a time. So this time you just work on it. And remaining also, please work on that. If you don't do, please work on that. Again, if you do, still you can explore this Losing table, and you will take different data and try to create a circular loop. Okay, you will take whatever I have taken data, right? You take student data in that student department. Okay, or else if you take oil and gas or else medical, so if you take this kind of data and try to create a circular loop there. Okay, and work on that, how to remove. Actually, I have explained, right, this commenting, renaming, and qualify and quantify. If you are not sure with the composite key, so whoever not understand, we'll cover that one in the evening. Okay, so but please be explore the remaining processes. Okay, with the synthetic key and the circular loop, just create your own data. Right, it's clear, right? So for the evening assignment is, we need to work on synthetic key and circle group creations, and also you need to remove the synthetic key and circle loop based on followed steps, whatever we have discussed. Clear, right? Guys, do you have any queries here?
No.
Yeah, then if no, we are good to wrap up the session. See you evening. Bye.